When I get these long problems, I like to go through my checkoff list. First, I distribute. So I see a distributive property right here. I'm going to take -3 and distribute it. So I'll just bring down my 9x with me, and then -3 times 2x is -6x. -3 times -1. Remember to use the signs in front of the things. Negative times a negative is positive, so that's a +3 equals 15. And then I'll add up my like terms on either side of the equal sign. So on this side of the equal sign, in this expression, I've got a 9x and a -6x. So when I add those together, I get 3x, and then I've still got my +3. Notice I don't add together the 3 and the 15. When I'm adding like terms, I've got to work on one side of the equal sign or the other. Then I look for x's on both sides. I don't have that. So now I will undo what's been done to the x. So go to the side with the x on it, undo adding 3, which is to subtract 3 on both sides. So I'll get 3x equals 12. Then I'll undo timesing by 3 on both sides, so that'll be divide by 3 on both sides, so I'll get x equals 4. Okay, over here. First step is to distribute. So I see a distributive property here. I'm going to take this +4 and distribute it. So the rest of my problem stays the same. And when I distribute, I get +4x minus 8. Then I'm going to add my like terms. I see over in this expression on this side I have a +7 and a -8. Those can be combined. So I'll get 5x minus 3 on this side still. And then I have my 4x. And then 7 and -8 can combine together to be -1. So now I've got an x term and a constant term on both sides. So now step 3, I'm going to undo what, no, I'm sorry. Step 3, I've got x's on both sides, so I've got to get rid of that. So I have to either -5x from both sides to move this term over, or -4x from both sides to move this one over. I usually try to do whatever's going to leave me with not having a negative. I'm just algebraically moving this 4x to the other side. So 5x minus 4x is 1x, or just x. 4x minus 4x, that's gone now. That's 0. So all I have left on this side is -1. So now I should be able to do my last step. Go to the side with the x and undo what's been done to the x. Well, right now I have a -3, so to undo subtracting 3, I want to add 3 to both sides. So that'll give me x equals 2.